Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys fingerprint lock add setting. How to add fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to add fingerprint lock in your Redmi mobile. So friends, now let's see how to add fingerprint lock, how to use two fingerprint lock, three, four fingerprint in Redmi mobile. One by one we will talk about. Without waste time, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting, open your phone screen lock setting. Also friends, open your phone fingerprint lock setting, draw your device pattern. You have your pattern lock, pin lock, password. Enter your password. I have pattern, I will draw pattern. Friends, you want to add fingerprint. Friends, I have only one fingerprint lock. You want to use two, three, four, one by one you will have to add. Click here, add fingerprint lock setting, draw pattern again. Which fingerprint friends you want to use, you can add. So friends, I will use my second fingerprint lock. Touch and remove on your fingerprint sensor, and you can add one more fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile, and you can use two fingerprint lock. You can unlock your Redmi mobile with two fingerprint lock. So friends, click here done option. One more fingerprint lock will add in your Redmi mobile, and again if you click here add fingerprint lock, checking for security issue, again draw your pattern because of security issue. And which fingerprint friends again you want to use, you can add one more fingerprint. So friends, I will use my third fingerprint lock. Touch and remove different move, and you can use fingerprint lock add setting. You can use three fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile. So friends, one by one we will talk about three fingerprint lock setting. Lock your screen. First of all friends, you can check third fingerprint lock, we will use phone will unlock. Second fingerprint lock, phone will unlock. First fingerprint lock we will use and phone will unlock. And you have face lock, use your face lock, phone will unlock. Draw pattern, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can use three fingerprint lock setting in Redmi mobile. And you want to add one more fingerprint lock, again open your phone password and security setting, draw pattern. I have three fingerprint lock, and friends, if you click here, so you can rename your fingerprint lock. And if you click here add fingerprint, so you can add one more fingerprint lock in Redmi mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.